You're gonna love the 2024 Honda CR-V. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, electronic stability control, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers. Give yourself the upgrade you deserve. Get into the Honda CR-V and drive well. We'll put you behind the wheel today.